Welcome guys to a brand new video. Today I actually got a open box of 2021-22. What's exciting about this is I was shopping at my hobby shop that I go to. It's not local, it's a few hours away. They had this box. None of the packs are actually even taken out. He said $60 cash, you take the whole box. I looked at it. I said, okay, if we pull a cider, box is paid for. If we pull a Lucas Raymond, box is half paid for. A lot of good rookies in last year's Series 2, especially retail. So we are expecting 6 Young Guns. No packs were taken out. I trust the guy. He said that the box was open last night, but he really wants to clean some stuff out for the Christmas so he can buy new stuff that people are actually wanting this season. So we're going to have some fun here, and we're going to open a bunch of cards. So first, we got a Nick Cousins, a Letang, a Duclair, Sidney Crosby canvas is our first pull. Not bad. Sean Couturier, Orlov. Very interesting. First pack. This is retail, of course, so we will be a bunch of base packs, but we'll see what we get. We got Kane. We got honor rolls of Benoit, Prolov, Kraus, Wallstrom. We will be opening up more cards this week. Mail day is happening. I have to slowly go through my mail. We got Mackenzie Blackwood canvas. So fingers crossed that we do get something here. That'd be nice if we actually do pull a decent Young Gun. There are some good Young Guns. And we haven't pulled one yet, but we did get Jeffrey Veal. Feel like I've pulled him many, many times. We got Klingberg. Our first Young Gun is the goalie. There he is. From Phoenix, from the Czech Republic. We got Barry, Phil Kessel. Pretty awesome looking cards. All right, so we got Tanner. That is a marquee rookie. And you can buy these boxes, I believe. Just wait till Boxing Day. These boxes will be on sale. Next, we got next Young Gun is Taylor Radish. I remember him playing for Team Canada. That's cool. Ghost, we got some point. Nice little inserts there. We need some big Young Guns. All right. Svetnikov, Cassian, Boris. We got Boris. Kachuk. Balsers, Mark Stone. Feel like we weren't pulling any Young Guns, and then all of a sudden we were pulling all of them. Checklist with Ovechkin. Jake Neighbors. Wouldn't mind pulling another rookie of his. Burkowski. Kucherov. Looks like Cole Perfetti. That is a nice Young Gun. That will go into the Perfetti collection. At least we pulled one card that was worth a few bucks. Especially buying open boxes. A very hit or miss if you don't know your shop. They could search for the Young Guns and all the hits. Put back everything and then just put in base packs in retail. Especially there's so many base packs. In certain retail boxes you can get like 4 to 5 base packs. We got Claude Giroux playing for the Flyers. Robert Thomas. I think we have about 10 packs left. Or 12 packs left. Another Young Gun of Mason. Gertson. McLeod. Oh. Pack does not want to open. Next, we got Cam York. That's a nice one. Maroon, Malkin, Sheary. Barbashev. Austin Matthews, red. That's probably the best card that we'll pull in this whole box. Very nice. short printed red Dazzler. That's a nice one. Anything Matthews or McDavid, I am happy to pull. Next, we got Jonas Ronberg. All right. Don't remember pulling him. He's from Denmark. Probably pulled a few of his, but skip past it. Not a recognizable name. Maybe he'll be good in the future. Who knows? Jack Atkin. There his marquee rookie. Ovechkin. Nice looking Matthews for sure. Worth a few bucks anyways. Dawson Mercer. Well, I've sold a few of his young guns. A lot of people are collecting him. A lot of people have high expectations for him. So we'll see how he pans out. Especially playing for New Jersey. We got a blue, and it is Mike Hardman. Cool. Athanasiou. Got 5 packs left. Let's make the 5 packs count. We got Simone Benoit. Marquee rookie. Retro. We got Doc. Pack number 4. Henrique Haru. Ranta. That's a nice one. Played very well with the Avalanche. Won a Stanley Cup with the Avalanche. Next, we got a red of Neil for the Winnipeg Jets. Don't know. I would rather take the Matthews. So we got 2 packs left. Let's finish this off strong. I have a feeling maybe we'll get something else. Philip Tomasino. Very miscut. Top to bottom and everything in that is extremely miscut. And the last pack. And the last pack is a Cole Perfetti. Go into the Perfetti collection. So altogether, not a bad box. Paid 60 bucks. Probably could have left her on the shelf. But that's okay. We got some nice Perfetti. We got a nice Austin Matthews red. You can't complain about that. So let's take a quick look at what we pulled. We got some Perfetti, Tomasino, some blues, Dawson Mercer. We got a young gun. That's probably the nicest card. In my opinion, it's one of the nicest cards of the video. Perfetti, probably the best young gun of this video. We got Radish and some other random. Crosby's nice. Crosby always sells. So thank you guys. I hope you guys like, subscribe, share. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on my Facebook. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a good night. I'm the Car Collector. You'll see me Thursday with a brand new video. All right, guys. I'm out.